मुझे ब्रांडेड कपड़े खरीदने पड़ेंगे क्या, या फिर अगर मेरा मेरा तो सर हाइट 5 है तो मैं क्या अपने आप को स्टाइल करूंगा। तो मुझे ये चीज जानना है कि क्या ये मतलब आपके पास भी क्लाइंट का ऐसे कुछ मतलब यू फील दैट दिस इज अ चैलेंज और दिस इज समथिंग मिथ विच दी सोसाइटी इन हमारे सोसाइटी में है कि आप अगर 6'1" हो तो ही आप एक स्पेसिफिक स्टाइलिंग कर सकते हो, या फिर आप ब्रांडेड कपड़े पहनोगे तो ही आपका वार्डरोब में 4 चांद लगेंगे, आपकी पर्सनालिटी में 4 चांद लगेंगे, ऐसा कुछ है क्या?
Definitely not. So it is said in our, image consulting parlance that style is not a matter of money. Okay. So एक बंदा एक सिंपल से अगर कोई लोग ना बहुत ऑब्जर्वेंट होते हैं. ओके. सो दे लर्न ओवर द पीरियड थ्रू देयर एक्सपीरियंस, और कुछ पढ़ते रहते हैं या देखते रहते हैं, एंड दे स्टडी मे बी अ बिट ऑन हाउ टू कंबाइन clothes with their personality and their color and things. So little bit math is there involved here. Like you can work on your personal color and then try to select the clothing which will complement your color. So उसमें वो ज़्यादा उभर के आएगा आपका persona, personality, the looks, I mean the appearance. However, ये जो है लोगों के दिमाग में कि यार कंसल्टेंट मतलब ये तो लाखों का वो कपड़े खरीदवाएगा, ब्रांडेड कपड़े खरीदने से यार ऐसे होता तो मतलब आप जाओ खरीदो पहनो. आई मीन स्टिल at time you might buy a very fancy and expensive outfit, but how many times do you really wear it? Okay. And even after wearing that, do you really feel up to the mark? I mean, see, this is what, so people, unless and until somebody is complimenting them on that attire after wearing it, उनके पैसे तभी वसूल होते हैं यार. हाँ, कॉम्प्लीमेंट 8-10 मिल गए बस. आई मीन, so you are going by the validation of other people. A. Secondly, so as you rightly said, it is definitely not a very right statement to say that I need to spend a lot of money to look good or look stylish or to. What is important is to look authentic. आप आपके values तक जाओ, you search yourself, okay, and try to be authentic with that. Try to groom and nurture whatever is there within you. We all have these certain strings of our own persona which we need to छाटना है उसको, जो भी है ना अंदर उसमें से, and then bring out the best in that in an individual is already there. और बस उसको ही फिर बाद में उसको नर्चर करना है, उसको अच्छे से उभारना है, and then it will be. It's definitely nothing to do with having fancy brands and so as I rightly said, initially that it's 60% comes from internal. Okay. तो मतलब क्या ही है, और रिमेनिंग 40% में भी यू हैव अदर कॉन्ट्रीब्यूटर्स लाइक ग्रूमिंग एंड बॉडी लैंग्वेज एंड कम्युनिकेशन. सो क्लोथिंग इज हार्डली व्हाट 10%. It's only 10%.
Right.
So it's definitely a myth.
Great. So Shweta, moving ahead, अभी ये जो इंडस्ट्री है इमेज कंसल्टेंट की, और या फिर हम जो जिसे हम अपीयरेंस मैनेजमेंट बोलते हैं, और आज का हमारा थीम भी जो वो लुक बुक है. सो बेसिकली मैं ये चाहूंगा कि आप इसमें जो करियर अपॉर्चुनिटीज हैं और या फिर इसमें जो करियर वेरिएशंस हैं, इसके बारे में थोड़ा बहुत कुछ आप बता सकते हो. मतलब व्हाट इज दैट वन कैन, एक तो मतलब उससे पहले मैं चाहूंगा कि इसमें किस तरह के लोगों ने आना चाहिए, मतलब लाइक व्हाट काइंड ऑफ ऑडियंस और व्हाट काइंड ऑफ पर्सनालिटीज कैन प्रेफर टू बी अ पार्ट, टू टेक इमेज कंसल्टेंट एज अ प्रोफेशन.
Yeah, sure, Sagar. So see, there is nothing like a entry point here wherein you need to be. So people have again this understanding that an image consultant herself has to look good, or looking good is a one thing. I mean, you need to work upon. Everybody has to work upon themselves at some point or the other. As you mentioned some time back, that it depends upon in what role you are playing. So if I am an image consultant and if I am training people, they need to look up to me as somebody, right? So it's practice what you preach, as simple as that. So yeah, if I am emphasizing the importance of grooming, an individual should be a well groomed, I myself should inculcate grooming habits with on myself. So it's like basically anyone who has this dire desire to evolve, or maybe transform or work upon your weaknesses and turn them into your strength, right? जो खुद उस प्रोसेस से गया होगा ऑलरेडी, he will understand the need or the pain of the person who is coming to him for consulting, and he
Right.
can convince him or maybe help him change his look or appearance. And as I said, it's not only about look, it's the whole package. Okay, so the person who himself has gone undergone this transformation will be in a better position to help somebody else
Hmm.
to do the same journey.
Right.
And being certified, so you will have a lot of people who are stylists, and they just over the internet to hai aajkal, matlab you have a lot of avenues on internet wherein you can upgrade yourself about agar koi passionate hai. So I will not say a person has to be really passionate about, yes, you have to be passionate about fashion and styling, because that is a bigger portion of this, because you will be more curious about what's coming up in the market, कि fashion industry में क्या चल रहा है, because you want to merge that very well with the basics of the foundation of the whole thing. So
Right.
since in this particular course we also get to learn about the principles of design, or the design elements of clothing. It will give equips the consultant with a little bit of technical knowledge on styling and designing, and that goes a long way. So यहाँ पे हो क्या रहा है कि आप appearance पे किसी के काम कर सकते हो. As I said, since you touch upon the inner trait and psychological aspect, you can also help somebody to work on their behavior if that is an issue. And yeah, you're also doing a bit of soft skills. So there comes in part the communication part. So I call it as the ABC of image, where A will be your appearance, B will be the behavior part, and C will be the communication. And if you look at the appearance of an individual, it's a perfect combination, a well balanced combination of all these three aspects. Now, having said that, being a consultant, when you meet a client, he may be good, he's already taken care in his appearance part. Okay, he is somehow already passionate about styling, and he knows what's going on in the LFS, yeah, Lakme Fashion Week mein is saal kya aaya, and he's fashion savvy or whatever. So that part is taken care. However, the behavior part he is not sorted with, right? So possibly the image consultant need only to work on that aspect of that individual, or somebody may be sorted with both those A and B. But in terms of communication, again, in communication there's non-verbal, there's verbal. So somebody who is not well versed with communication, as in कहीं भी कुछ बोल देना, work, the using the right tone, pitch, the right set of words, the person may not be aware on those aspects. So there the consultant need to work upon the communication aspect. So these are the various avenues for an in consultant to work on. Okay, also when I say that we are already equipped with a lot of technical knowledge onto designs and principle of design, on all that, you can also think about styling garments. Okay, I mean, not consulting, I'm just talking about a totally different field, where you can, since you have so much knowledge on color, line, texture, pattern, you may explore something like a styling a garment, or working into developing your own brand. So that could be one aspect. And further is maybe people can think of going further deeper into a person image, wherein you can learn. For that you need to equip yourself with some other additional tools, like maybe a coaching certificate. Okay, and where you can coach. आजकल जो executive coaching है, people at a certain level in corporates, they need executive coaches to help them. क्योंकि क्या हो रहा है ना, stagnancy आ रही है. You have grown so much so early. Okay, and you have reached a particular level, और आगे पता नहीं होता है अभी क्या करना है. Okay, CEO भी बन गए कंपनी के, अभी आगे क्या करना है. And that's when they find that, okay, I'm having a, so if you are having a background of an image consultant where you've already studied so many other aspect of the personality of an individual, you can additionally learn about coaching and maybe blend that together and then consult people for executive coaching or personal coaching or life coaching. So
Right.
even that could be one of the prospective area for image consultants to work.